Hi, in this video, we're going to solve this problem regarding the concept of probability, which appear in JEE Advanced 2014. So first, try to understand the problem statement. Here says we have three boxes, box 1, box 2, and box 3, with some number of cards named as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on. Now we are drawing a card from each boxes. And whatever the card is drawn, that number, right? If I take that from the first box, if I consider that box number one, the x1 should be 1. For box 2, if I choose that fourth card, it will be 4 number card. It will be x1, x2 will be 4, and so on. That is the meaning. Okay. Now it says that we have to find the probability that x1, x2, x3 are must be odd. So let's go ahead and solve this particular problem. So here, first we write down that the number of cards and every boxes and all. So see that for the box 1, we have few cards here, right? So the card number will be 1, 2, and 3. And also for box 2, we have the card number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the card number. And for box 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So therefore, if we try to find out that how many odd card and even card are there in box 1, 2, and 3 respectively. So we find that in box 1, we have two odd card, that is 1 and 3, and one even card, that is 2. In box 2, we have three odd card, two even cards. And in box 3, we have four odd card and three even card. So this is the given conditions, right? That's it. Now, if I choose a card, so x1 can take the values 1, 2, 3, x2 can take the values 1, 2, 3, 5, and x3 will take the values in the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? These are the values that x1, x2, and x3 can take. Now here it says that let A be the event so that x1 plus x2 plus x3 must be odd. So therefore, what will be the cases, right? So that's imply that x1, x2, x3 will be odd only when x1, x2, x3, or maybe we can say that it is only possible if all odd cards are added. So all odd cards or any two card, any two will be even and one odd card. So these are the possibilities. So therefore we can say that, right, that odd means added, right? So all odd means that I can write down that x1, x2, x3, these three cards all must be odd, plus if I choose that x1 is a odd card, then x2, x3 must be even card, plus x2 can be odd and x1 and x3 must be even. And the last one will be x3 can be odd and x2 and x1 must be even. So these are the possible combination. So therefore we can say that total number of total number of favorable events Okay, let's go ahead. Now, when x1, x2, x3 are odd, right? So therefore, x1 can be chosen, right, out of two box card because this is the number of way of or the card of x1, x2, x3. This is the possibilities. So x1 can be chooses out of two odd card. So therefore, it is 2. x3 can be chosen from 3 odd card, that is 3. And x3, the one card can be chosen out of 4 card. It's 4 ways, right? 2, 3, 4 plus. See that x1 is odd. So x1 has to be chooses out of two odd cards. So therefore it is two ways. One card can be chosen out of two odd card. It's two only. Now x2, x3 is even. So there are two even card and for x3, three even card. So therefore it is 2 into 3. That's it. For the next case, right? X2 is odd. So therefore x2 can be chosen out of the 3 card. So therefore it's 3 multiplied by. Now, x1 and x3 are even. So x1 and x3. So x1 is only 1. So therefore, it is only one way it's possible. And for x3, it's 3. So 3 cards. So that means it is possible in 3 ways, right? That's it. And the last one, if I choose that x3 is odd. So therefore, x3 is chosen in out of 4 cards. So that is 4 ways. X1 will be one way and X2 will be two way because there are two odd cut is possible for X2. So if I multiply, right, see that 2, 3 are 4. So therefore it is 624 plus 12 plus 9 and plus 8. So if I add them together, it's 20. So 44 plus 9, it is 53. So for the event A, we can find out the total number of favorable event is 53. Now we need to find the total number of event. So we observe few things, right? That here total number of favorable event is 53 and box 1, 2, 3 respectively have 3, 5 and 7 number of cards. So this is we already know. Now see that we need to find total number of events. So what is the total number of event? Go ahead. So total number of event. So say that from box 1, right, the x1 can be chosen, right, out of the 3 card in 3c1 or 3 ways. From the second card, right, or the for the box 2, x2 can be chosen in 5 different ways. And for x3, it can be chosen out of 7 different cards, that is 3 ways. So if I multiply, it will be 3, 5 are 15, 15 into 7, it's 105. So total number of event is 105 and total number of favorable event is 53. So therefore, the probability of that particular event is total number of favorable event, that is 53, divided by the total number of event, that is 105. And we don't see any common factor between them, and obviously we get the answer. So therefore, for this particular problem, option B is the correct answer. And that's it. Hope you understood this advanced level problem. Thank you.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe.